Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system settings. After that, select here the screen recording, and here you'll see sound section. We can use the system sound on our device, so for example, we'll use the media ringtones here, and also we can use the microphone for example, to comment something. If you will turn off system sounds and microphones, you will record the mute videos, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first, let's open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you should find here the screen recording icon. Hold for a while this icon to launch the screen recorder settings, and after that you can also here change the screen recorder sound settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.